Welcome, subscribers, to One Pricey Chick. We will embark on a journey that transcends the boundaries of nature and architecture. Prepare to be captivated as we explore some of the most breathtaking buildings on our planet. Structures that draw inspiration from the elegance and grace of birds. Settle in. Let the soothing melodies of nature wash over you, and allow these architectural wonders to transport you to a realm where human ingenuity takes flight. Our journey begins in New York City, home to the iconic TWA Flight Center. Designed by Saarinen, this architectural marvel captures the very essence of flight. Observe the building's sweeping roofline, reminiscent of a bird's wings poised for takeoff, a testament to the golden age of air travel. The concrete shell seems to defy gravity, soaring effortlessly above the ground. It's a symphony of curves and light, inviting us to embrace the spirit of adventure. We journey now to the shimmering shores of Dubai, where the Burj Al Arab pierces the heavens. This iconic skyscraper, resembling a billowing sail, evokes the image of a majestic seabird gliding across the waves. Its sleek, aerodynamic form speaks to Dubai's ambition and connection to the sea. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow upon its facade, the Burj Al Arab transforms into a beacon of luxury and innovation. Nestled amidst the bustling cityscape of New Delhi, India, lies the Lotus Temple, a symbol of peace and tranquility. While inspired by the lotus flower, the temple's design also hints at the delicate structure of a bird's wings. Its 9 glistening petals, crafted from pure white marble, seem to unfurl towards the heavens. As sunlight bathes the temple, the interplay of light and shadow creates a sense of ethereal beauty. The Lotus Temple serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of nature and spirituality. Chapter 5. Harbin Opera House. Frozen in a dance of grace. In the heart of Harbin, China, a city known for its frigid winters and stunning ice sculptures, we find the Harbin Opera House. Its flowing organic curves evoke the image of a swan or crane in mid-flight. The building's design seamlessly blends into the surrounding wetlands, its sinuous form reflected in the still waters. The Harbin Opera House stands as a testament to the power of architecture to capture the essence of movement and grace. Chapter 6. Aldar Headquarters, a falcon's eye on the horizon. Our journey takes us to Abu Dhabi, where the Aldar headquarters dominates the skyline. This remarkable circular structure, often likened to the shape of a falcon's eye, pays homage to the bird's significance in Middle Eastern culture. The falcon, a symbol of power, precision, and vision, is reflected in the building's bold design and innovative engineering. The Aldar headquarters stands as a symbol of Abu Dhabi's ambition and its embrace of modernity. Chapter 7. The Gherkin, an egg of glass and steel. Our final destination takes us to London, where the Gherkin, a skyscraper affectionately named for its unusual shape, pierces the city's skyline. While often compared to a cucumber, the Gherkin's sleek, aerodynamic form also resembles a bird's egg, a symbol of renewal and growth. Its glass facade reflects the ever-changing sky, creating a dynamic interplay of light and shadow. The Gherkin stands as a testament to the power of innovative design to transform a cityscape. What's something people don't know about bird-inspired architecture? From the majestic Bird's Nest Stadium in Beijing to the elegant Swallow's Nest Castle in Crimea, these structures have captivated our imaginations. As we conclude our journey through these bird-inspired architectural marvels, we're reminded of the profound connection between humanity and the natural world. These buildings, with their soaring lines, intricate details, and innovative designs, showcase how bird-inspired forms can evoke beauty, functionality, and a sense of wonder. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey through the world of avian architecture. Subscribe to One Pricey Chick. Our online store shall be opening soon. We love to serve chicken, just elevated.